到最后一刻，虽然击杀数不多，还是能够拿到吃鸡胜利。但换一个角度想的话，我们刚刚也有看到爆量击杀的领先两队。那即便他们没有办法拿到吃鸡，但其实单场的分数竞照对他们来说就
也是蛮多的，没错。
所以呢，整体排名上的变动，我们等一下在休息完之后回来会再来一探究竟。我们就稍作休息，等一下精彩的比赛不要走开，我们马上回来。
Feel the power of electricity. I feel the great power. I am ready. None scare me. Leave it to me. Where lies a mightier foe? Electricity comes right from my body. Call me and I'll be there. I'll show you higher voltage.
789 was able to get one with the sneak attack. Luke 12's got to be careful. I mean, he is still inside of the smoke, throws a nade in his direction. Flood's got the backside covered, though. Really good positioning out of the dust here, but he does spot the ending location and again puts that Mark 12 to good use. Nice shots from Flood. Yeah, it's also not a rush here. Yellow south of Everest, this kind of western Gatka field circle. Good little flash. Push in from Cheeksing, nothing that 678 can do. Out on this western side of the circle, they are all extremely low. Over to Fat, the solo for NGE. How about a double? Probably needs to repeat. Oh, it's a Panzerfaust. That should be the end of Vinamilk.
Oh my god!
Right to the face. Actually, on to Fury. It's Newhouse who pushed into Fury. Panzerfaust, bang, another one. Welcome to the show. He played it well, but they got double flash. Teleporting to a white, seeing nothing but stars as Thanawa lands the tag onto Shanks. Does he heal off this? He can't. Thanawa's just pushing, aggressive through the little bush.
The barrel's gonna have to come out. He's gonna vault in. This is where he's gonna have to get it done. Opening the door.
Oh, sneak attack!
At least one onto sneak attack.
There goes Thanawa. Up close was Hatsuwa, but also Pat and Pong had an angle, and and all three gone down one by each second, 3 in 3 seconds as Theraton 5 demolished Purple Mood. Currently not in last place anymore, as there's the mortar strike on to Hatsuwa, Russell, but not the guy that's above Hatsuwa.
What?
What?
How?
Wait, where's that? What angle's that come in from? Has that come in from the north side? Wait, are they? Well, what are the odds of that? From Theraton 5. Obviously, Exo trying to get a bit of an angle here. Double push to the back. Backthrow watches the window. Monty does get the knock. Can he get the second? Yes, he can. Ooh. Needed Monty to pop off there. As soon as you said it, he dies immediately. Oh, well, he did more than enough by himself. Here comes that guy. Sword on shotgun. And he can't get the kill onto Monty. Monty stands tall. Pulls out the mini to get the flush for Pat and Pong. 6 kills down for Team 5. That will go. But Thunders was still here in the camera. They had no idea. They thought that they completely vacated the area.
Yeah, 不是每次都能可以去靠拍，也不是从来每场都是逆转，多希望每场是更多的比卖。分离出关只差你一块，自己都记不清认输，现在自己生命证明了 true， 分离击败真实的反扑，地狱宝石就在不远处。就像守护 乎的。